Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin now. Raise the presser foot so the tension discs open, then place the spool on the pin and secure with the cap. Thread the spool through the first top guide. Make sure the thread follows the arrowed path on your brother. Once done, bring the thread down toward the tension area, loop it under the guide, and up to the K-cup lever. You're doing this so the machine controls tension and moves thread with each stitch. You now route the thread through the tension discs and the small spring guide so the machine can regulate tension. Do this slowly to ensure it seats correctly. Make sure the thread goes up and fully through the K-cup lever. This is why stitches form properly. Once the K-cup lever is engaged, guide the thread down the front of the needle bar, following the machine's printed path. You want a clean, snag-free line from spool to needle for reliable stitching. You're at the finish. Thread the needle from front to back, or use the built-in threader on many Brother models, then lower the presser foot. Hold the top thread and turn the handwheel toward you one full revolution to catch the bobbin thread. Pull both threads under the foot behind the needle about 2-3 inches. If you get skipped stitches or uneven tension, stop, replace, or reseat the needle and rethread top and bobbin. Often that corrects the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.